Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Microsoft CA. So first you need to go to the server manager, wait for getting loaded, then go click on manage, click on add roles and features, click next over here, select role based feature based installation, choose your server and make sure you have a static IP and then select the Active Directory services role, click next. Under feature just click next and under role services choose the certificate authority feature and click on install. This process will install the certificate binary for your CA. So right now we are just installing the software for running Microsoft CA. It will take around 10 minutes to get installed. Depend on your server configuration, how much RAM, CPU cores you have provided to your server. Yeah, once you're done with the installation, click on Configure Active Directory Certificate Services. Click on Next. Click on Certificate Authority Role Service. Click Next. Over here, you need to choose which provider you need to, which CA type you need to install. So if you are installing CA as a root CA, then you need to choose the standalone CA. If you are using for issuing CA, then you need to choose enterprise CA. Now we are now installing root CA, so that's the reason we are choosing standard CA. Now click on next. Now you can see here there are two options, which type of CA you want to choose. So root CA or subordinate CA. So you already choose the standalone CA and then now you need to choose root CA. If you are choosing enterprise CA, then you can choose subordinate CA. So at the moment we are installing root CA, hence we choose the root CA. Click on next. Over here we are going to create a CA's private key. So you need to choose the option create a new private key. If you already have an existing installation, that time you can choose existing key provider. Otherwise you can continue with the new key. Now this is a new setup, so we are going to create a new private key. So click on next. Over here we need to choose the crypto provider, key length and the hashing algorithm for your CS certificate. So we don't have any HSM, so we are going with the Microsoft native key provider, and the standard length is 2048 recommendation or recommended length, and you can choose the algorithm SHA-256-512 as per your requirement. Over here you can see the list of or different provider you can choose. I'm going with the basic provider, but you can have options. Click allow administrator interaction when the private key is accessed by CA, so that you will let you know that when your key is going to get access by your CA. Now you need to provide the name for your CA, so give proper naming convention as per your requirement and click on next. Over here you need to choose the validity of the your CA. So normally for root CA mostly people use 10 years, 20 years. It's your choice. As this is a testing environment, I'm keeping 5 years. or standard. As per standard, I make it in 10 years. So, and these are the path where your certificate data will be stored, the certificate database location that is going on default directory. If you want to change, you can change as per your wish on a D drive or any C drive, E drive, any folder you want. But security best practice, if you choose Windows System 32, no one can easily try to access that file and it will be secure. But that can be customized. So click on next and just click on configure, and now your CA configuration has been completed, and click on close. So if you want to verify your setup, you need to go to the start and go to the administration tools and click on certificate authority. Once it's get loaded, just expand it and have a look on your CA certificate. Click on properties, right click and click on properties, and you can see uh, under the view certificate you can have a look on your CA details. So it's a self signery because it's a root CA, and you can have a look all is okay or not. These are the different settings like group permissions and all that you can validate. If you revoke any certificate, that will be appeared here. If you issuing certificate, pending certificate, that will be categorized under that folder. If you want to stop service, you just right click and you can stop it. If you want to take a backup, you just right click and click on a backup CA. If you want to restore that time also, you need to choose that options, backup and restores. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching.